At CCMI, we are scientists, educators, and communicators who all recognize that coral reefs are critically important yet threatened ecosystems that require immediate protection. Our team delivers state-of-the-art research and innovative education programs from our multi-purpose marine research facility, which is located on the tiny and relatively undeveloped island of Little Cayman. We are committed to understanding the impacts of natural and human-caused threats to biodiversity, including climate change, in order to create a meaningful pathway towards marine sustainability in the future. CCMI's deliberately multifaceted approach ensures that our work has the greatest impact, not only by contributing to new scientific understanding as to how reefs can thrive for the future, but by sharing that information with our local community and global society in meaningful ways.
I've been living by the ocean, all my life. I've been diving over 30 plus years. Seen a lot of changes in the reef, in the ocean.
Our aim is to be a leading research facility in the Caribbean, focusing on the adaptation and resilience of coral reefs.
As the Director of Research and Education, I'm excited to continue to pursue cutting-edge research, but also to ensure that that research has tangible and applicable results that can be used to educate the next generation so that this precious resource is protected.
At CCMI's Reef Ecology and Evolution Lab, researchers investigate how coral ecosystems function and how biodiversity can be maintained in the face of climate change by studying resilience and adaptations to depth and heat. We continue to build on our over 20 years of monitoring and observational studies to understand how coral ecosystems change and evolve in response to global and local stressors. CCMI has taken a scientific approach to the restoration of endangered coral species since we first launched the first coral nursery in the Cayman Islands in 2012. Beyond simply coral gardening, CCMI conducts long-term, in-situ research into how we can grow more robust and resilient corals that will be better able to withstand disease, heat, and storms, benefiting the strength and survival of our reefs.
Some of the conservation work that we do and the research and coral restoration work can be applied to other regions, and hopefully we can have a bigger impact on protecting our coral reefs for the future.
Because we're increasing our understanding of the threats to the reef and how we can save it.
CCMI's ongoing research initiatives and latest findings are incorporated throughout all of our innovative education and outreach programs. The Little Cayman Research Center serves as a home away from home for roughly 400 local and international students every year, from primary to graduate level. Students learn about the importance of life on our coral reefs, the threats reefs face, our human impact, and what we can do to make a difference. CCMI also breaks down the barrier of distance, reaching tens of thousands of engaged participants from around the globe every year with our live interactive underwater broadcasts, Reefs Go Live. At CCMI, we are inclusive, diverse, cutting-edge, and ocean-loving people who want to create a brighter future for oceans via partnerships, collaborations, and communication. We continue to seek, find, and cultivate reasons to have hope for the future of our oceans and our planet.
We all need the ocean to survive.
I love the sheer diversity of life in the ocean. It's amazing how much stuff is out there.
I'm surrounded by the ocean and seeing how it's fighting against all the things that we are throwing at it and trying to survive. So it's really amazing. And we're right here in a Mission Blue Hope spot as well, so you've got to have hope.
When you communicate with people about our coral reefs, they mean so much to different people in so many different ways, and everyone has a reason to be passionate and engaged about protecting our coral reefs and our oceans for the future.
Everything we do is designed to have an impact. And protecting coral reefs is genuinely at the heart of our organisation. We also have a youthful and diverse team who remind me every day that we have a responsibility to the youth of tomorrow. A recent study indicated that intergenerational injustice from the impacts of our actions on the environment will have far-reaching effects for children that aren't even born yet. This, combined with a genuine love of the ocean, is what drives me and the team at CCMI to keep doing what we do. Thank you so much for supporting us and being on the journey with us.